guys, what's up and
Welcome
back. Yeah, I just got ready upstairs, changed Aiden's clothes because it was a little dirty. Today I'm gonna go get tattoo. Yes, I am gonna go get tattoo today. Yeah, it's gonna be like a matching sister tattoo. Last time when Ashley's sister came to NC, they got it and then they told me to come that day, but I was not sure about it. But then today, like a few days back, I'm sure now. So I'm gonna go today with them, and then also one of my friend Pallavi, she also wants to come. She wants to get a different tattoo. So we three are going together to get tattooed. Ashley already got it done, but just both of us. We're gonna go get tattooed today. Also, Mayank is not here. He's gone to Atlanta for 2 days. Technically 3, because the third whole day he's not gonna be here. So it's 3 days, I wanna say. And then, so yeah, it's just me, Marvel, and Aiden. We're gonna have fun. Tomorrow we both are going to one of our friends' place. She's doing like we are gonna do lunch together at home and then watch movie, and Aiden can play with their kid and their toys. So that's what the plan is tomorrow. So yeah, that's what we are doing. And then right now I'm packing up Aiden's bag, his snacks, so we can go to Tish and Ashley, and then leave Aiden there for a little bit. My brother's gonna watch him, and then we go and get tattoo and hopefully coffee. Recently received this bomber jacket, and it is so cute. Go baby, go get it. It is so cute. I love this color. It's so comfortable. It's like a perfect transition to fall. So this is in a small size. You found it. Good job. This is like in a small size. You can pair it with jeans, or like I'm wearing a jumpsuit right now, so I can just throw this on them. It looks so cute. This is so nice. I love it, and it's very comfortable. Sleeves are not very short. Like when you stretch your hand, you can see it doesn't come up till here. It stays here. So when your hands are down, it's like a little, you know, I like it being a little cozy like this. Put the link for this jacket in the description box below, so you guys can check it out. And they have multiple colors, so you can choose your colors.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Alrighty. Yeah, there are no more cars because you took out all the cars from the semi truck. Alrighty, the design I think is in Ashley's phone, so I will show you guys the design once I'm there.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is...
So I did not even call them before coming here, and it turns out that they are not home. They're gone to the store, but they should be on their way anytime now. So we are just gonna chill here outside while Aiden is gonna play there with his truck. And yeah. Wow, it's moving back.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hey, look this one here.
That's Alani's teether.
To brush the teeth.
Yeah, brush her teeth.
It's a doggy here.
Hi, Alani. Look here. Hi, Chickaboo. Hi, Chickaboo.
I got found the doorway.
Is that the way?
Yeah. Alright, here's our tattoo gang.
Oh.
So we all are going to get the tattoo. Ashley already got it. Yeah. She's gonna get one. I'm gonna get today. So
All we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left.
I mean, shall I just go with Ek Omkar or entire Vaheguru? I'm confused now. So Ek Kumkar will be very small then. Did she ask you what
Which
you
one is
want?
Ek Kumkar?
So this sign, right? The one.
The small sign is
The
Ek
jo aage wala
Kumkar.
hai?
Oh, you can do the whole thing. Do whole thing.
Vaheguru?
Yeah.
Okay.
But you wanted Vaheguru, right?
I wanted it, but yeah, I mean, I don't want it to be like too big. So that's
No, you
why
can
I'm
always
like-
tell her like
Haan,
do the
small
whole thing
font
in this
rakho,
size, like this.
Correct.
So she won't make it too big.
And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
We got it. It is. You wanna show yours? And then Ashley already has it from before.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's what we got. So she said no scented soap, no scented cream, just aquaphor or something, and then it should be fine. Yeah. I forgot how like it doesn't paint a lot, but little bit. But I last got it like I think 12 years ago, so I don't even remember the paint. But she reminded me today. Ayan, what were you doing? Do you want to see mommy's tattoo? Ayan, look, mommy got a tattoo in her hand.
No, it's right here.
Here. See this one. You wanna touch it? You can touch gently. Oh, here's the reaction. You wanna touch it? Gentle touch. It's a flower. Look. What happened?
He wants a fire truck.
You want to put what? Fire truck. Oh, he's like in shock.
Nice. You like it?
No.
Okay. Alright, I'm prepping for dinner. I don't want to eat chicken burger, and then I also had, luckily I made grilled chicken in the afternoon, so I have leftover of that, so I'm gonna use that to convert it into a chicken burger. I have onion, tomato sliced up, and then mayo, ketchup, and all this stuff, and then I sliced the chicken like this, and I'm just gonna heat it up a little bit and put it in the bread and like make a sandwich. Alrighty guys, that's my dinner. I'm gonna go, and it's already situated over there. He's eating his dinner and the battery is dying, so I'm gonna end this vlog right now, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog, which is gonna be tomorrow, because we're gonna go to Pallavi's tomorrow for some South Indian lunch. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Until then, bye.
We haven't played. No,